Hey, this is Diane from Teach Pre-K, and one of my favorite holidays is coming up, Groundhog Day. So I just want to show you my favorite craft. We've got a really short window before Groundhog Day. We make every single year these little groundhogs that pop up from their little hole. All you need, super simple, brown paper from which you are going to cut out some groundhog shapes. This is not perfect. In fact, it's really, really wonky, but it's okay. The kids don't care. This is really cute. So you've got that with your brown paper. You need some cups. And I think these are 12-ounce cups or 16-ounce cups. Probably 16 ounce. It looks like a full cup. You need big adult scissors, because what you're going to do is you are going to make a slit in the bottom of your cup that is going to fit a craft stick. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. So you also need googly eyes and a glue stick. Super simple. Oh, and a marker. I prefer black. I have a Sharpie. I would not let the kids use a Sharpie. They would just use their Crayola, but my Crayola was dried out. So what I would do, the kids would come to my center and we would get a groundhog shape. And then I would let them pick 2 eyes for their groundhog. I'm like, you're going to make Mr. Groundhog. And we've talked about Groundhog Day and we've read groundhog books. We watched a little video about Punxsutawney Phil. We're ready to go. We put our eyes on our groundhog. What else does our groundhog need? He needs a nose. A lot of my little girls, because it starts to look like a bear, have gotten really creative. They give it eyelashes. So you can do that. We're going to give him whiskers so he doesn't keep looking like a bear. Like that. Little smile because he's happy. There you go. Okay, so groundhog is done. They can put a mustache on it. It can wear a hat. You can get a lot more creative than this, but you don't have to. So then I'm going to get my glue stick. And I am going to just glue my groundhog just to this little top part. I'd say maybe 2.5 inches, but because he's got to pop up and down from the cup, and you don't want his little body getting in the way. So I put plenty of glue on that. You can also reinforce with a little tape, because they are going to want to play with these right away. And you don't want them to get ruined. So I'm actually going to I've got some tape in my drawer here. I'm going to get just a tiny piece of tape out. And there, I taped my stick too, just to give it some extra reinforcement. So then I have my cup that has the slit in it. And I slide my groundhog in, and then you can see little groundhog ears and pop. Did he see a shadow? Does he see a shadow? It's Groundhog Day, wake up. And they love these. They will play with these. They'll name their groundhog. They'll play with each other's groundhogs. This is such a great little craft. It's an interactive little toy for Groundhog Day. I have templates for that, but as you can see, you don't need any templates. And instructions, photos. I also have a groundhog prediction graphing kit and some math and literacy activities, plus a list of groundhog books in my All About Groundhog Day mini lesson in my Teachers Pay Teachers store. I will leave a link for that, but I couldn't let this week go by without you guys seeing the cutest craft you have to do with your kiddos for Groundhog Day. Anyway, happy Groundhog Day.